So what's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial at our channel. If your computer lost sound after the February 27 Windows update, you're not alone. Many users report that after updating Windows 11 to the latest version, their systems suddenly show no output, audio, missing speakers, or no audio device installed. Don't panic and don't worry, because in this video I'll show you the fastest fixes that restores your audio under 5 minutes. Let's start with the easiest fix, which is checking audio device. We need to confirm that Windows still detects your speakers. So all you have to do is right-click on the sound icon on the bottom right corner of your taskbar. Click Sound Settings, then Output Device. If the device shows something strange like digital audio, monitor audio, unknown device, switch it back to your speakers or headphones. For example, like Realtek speakers, USB audio device, or Bluetooth headphones. If sound return here, the update simply change your output device. Now let's move on to the second step, which is fixing the audio driver. Sometimes updates break the audio driver, so we reinstall it. The steps are: right-click on the Start button, open Device Manager, then you need to expand the Sound section, Video and Game Controllers. Look for something like Realtek Audio or High Definition Audio. Right-click the device and then select Update Driver. Then choose Search automatically for drivers. If that doesn't work or Windows shows that the best drivers are already installed, just go ahead and right-click again on the driver. Click Uninstall Device. And then restart your computer, and when it turns on, Windows will automatically reinstall the audio driver so you don't have to do it. Now let's move on to the third step, which is restarting audio services. Sometimes the audio system simply stops running after an update. Restarting the audio services fixes this. So press Windows plus R keys. You'll see the search bar, just type services.msc. Then press Enter. Now you need to find these two services, which are Windows Audio and then Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right-click each one and press Restart. This will reset the entire audio engine, and in many cases, the sound returns immediately. Now, if it does not, let's move on to the fourth and final step, which is running the built-in Troubleshooter. Windows has a built-in audio repair tool. All you have to do is go to your settings, then System, choose Troubleshoot, and then click on Other Troubleshooters. You need to find Plain Audio or Sound Troubleshooter, then hit the Run next to it. Windows will scan your drivers and fix configuration problems automatically, so you don't have to do it. And after that, restart your computer and it should fix your audio. So, if sound is still missing, try these quick checks, which are unplugging and reconnecting headphones, disabling HDMI audio devices, or restarting the PC one more time. Most update-related audio problems are solved by reinstalling the driver or restarting the audio services, and your sound should return immediately. And that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a comment down below so others can see which step helped you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech fix guides. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.